Hello, I'm Charan from MGIT, representing my team HEAPIFIERS. I'm here with my friend Mubashir. HEAPIFIERS is a team of 6 people led by Manish Kumar. Okay, coming to HEAPIFIERS idea. I'm so lazy to explain this, and even the world is lazy to do many works. People require magics to make the things happen. They think something like Jadoo Ki Chadi is required to do their things. But we, hippifiers, came with an idea where you don't require Jadoo Kichadi to do your things simple. You just require your hand and your simple Python machine. Yes, what you're listening is correct. Hippifiers introduced the Hippifiers idea to implement this our Smart India Hackathon project on developing a solution for gesture-enabled commands for operating laptops or PCs for frequent use operations on daily basis. This software helps in gesture recognition for saving, copying, and printing and many operations of the application which you are using. Let my friend Mubashir continue after me.
So, to implement our prototype, we first make a program in which we input gestures so that our program is trained to know what task and gestures are supposed to perform using the machine learning models. The technology stack which we will be using are as follows. The program is written in Python, which supports several machine learning packages like TensorFlow, OpenCV, tkinter, NumPy, har Cascade, PyMongo, and with no SQL connector. We would also use the ML framework MediaPy for its customizable solutions. Database used is NoSQL MongoDB using GridFS. OS can be either a PC, OS can be either of Windows, Mac, or Linux operating system. The PC should be connected with a webcam so that the face authentication and the gesture authentication is done using the webcam. Also, a cloud environment, which can be either of Microsoft Azure or Google Cloud, is needed. Now, coming to the implementation part. For the training part, we capture simple gestures and link them to the task they perform in a database program. The more the sample gestures we have in our database program, the more effective is the program in recognizing the gestures which are inputted in the future. Now, coming to the use case, firstly, the webcam captures the gesture from the end user, the client, and tries to match it with the gestures present in the program database. If a match is found, it executes the task or command related to that gestures, and so the end task is achieved using the gesture and without using any keyboard or mouse or any other peripheral device. Now Charan will continue.
As said by my friend Mubashir, this is simple software, not only makes our work simple, but also clear and comfortable to work with. It being a simple software can be run in the same device without any need of network connection that can ensure our privacy. We know that cybercrime is being increased, where our videos are being hacked to for a person for blackmailing purpose. But we as we creating it a simple software, it can be run without an internet connection. It can be stayed simple as we just use Python IDE, camera access, and a good quality camera driver's camera and few Python packages. We believe in practice makes man perfect. Don't it make mission perfect? We train our software before installation, like a user can give his or her gestures to train our software, which will be used in further recognition of the gestures to implement the commands. Its implementation on cloud can be done by using virtual machine, which ensures its implementation. In every launch of the software, a face recognition or authentication is done before performing an operation so that we can ensure the user and the gesture used by the user. The main inspiration behind this work is time. Time is money. We say time, it deserves saving. Yes, time deserves saving. Let us utilize it by saving it here. Thank you for listening to us.